Hello viewers, my name is Emmanuel Osisiagu. Today, I'll be talking about an aspect of mathematics I enjoy solving: exponents. Well, some countries call it indices, but don't you worry, they all mean the same thing. Exponents were first used in the 15th century by a man named Nicholas Ketch. It's a type of mathematical operation that tells us what to do with numbers. Exponent means repeated multiplication. It tells us how many times we multiply a number by itself a certain number of times. For example, 3 exponent 6. Exponent involves two numbers. The first number is the one that gets multiplied by itself a certain number of times, and that number is called base. The second number tells us how many times we multiply the base by itself, and that number is called the exponent or index. In mathematics, whenever you see a big number like 8 exponent 4 and a smaller one, know that's an exponent. 10 exponent 3, 5 exponent 4, and 6 exponent 5. These are common exponents to recognize. Exponents do not involve commutative property. For example, 6 exponent 2 is not the same thing as 2 exponent 6. Because if you solve this 2 tells us that means we multiply 6 2 times. That means 6 times 6, which is 36. Whilst 2 exponent 6 tells us to multiply 2 by itself 6 times. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 64. Some examples of how exponents work are: here are some examples of exponents. Don't you forget that the smaller number tells us how many times to multiply the base. So since this is 4, that means this is 4 times 4. The next one. Again, the smaller number tells us how many times multiply the base. Since this is 3, this is 4 times 4 times 4. This one is the same thing as we explained earlier. The smaller one tells us how many times to multiply the base. Since this is 4, this will be 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Then 5 exponent 6. This means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. I hope you recognize exponents when you see one. Most common exponents are 2 and 3. When a number is raised to the power of 2, that means that number is squared. For example, 10 squared. When a number is raised to the power of 3, that means the number is cubed. Another example, 8 cubed. Now you know that exponent means repeated multiplication, and for a number like this. Some interesting facts you need to know about exponents are: example 1. Any number raised to the 0 raised to any number is still 0. For example, 0 raised to the power of 4, which means 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 in 4 places, which will obviously give you 0. Example 2. 1 raised to any number is still 1. For example, 1 raised to the power of 5. This means 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 in 5 places, which will give you 1. Example 3. Any number raised to the power of 0 is still 1. For example, 8 raised to the power of 0. This will give you 1. Example 4. Any number raised to the power of 1 is still that number. For example, 7 raised to the power of 1, which is 7. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and drop your comments. Bye.